there was this big boutique milk of the swan. 3 babies. One of these babies was low-key pretty, but in a weird way. Like, what was wrong with it? But I believe he can save the world.
Where's my little cygnets, which is the baby word for swan?
Here, Mama! Here, Mama!
There's my 2 little uglies. Here, Mama. Whoa! Did I make you? Yeah? Damn! You're way more attractive than these other 2 and most other cygnets. I like you disproportionately more. What? I'm just like you guys.
No way, bro. You're nothing like us. We're ugly cygnets, and you, well, I believe you can save the world. Yeah?
Yeah, bro, you're one quackingly handsome fellow, Uncomfortably, right?
As it turns out, that little secret right there was the most popular kid at elementary swan school. And he wasn't even the fastest. Out of 100 annual races every single year, he lost every single one of them. Have you ever seen a slow kid be a popular one? That's how purity this kid was. Puberty. That had something ugly in mind for him.
Bro, why are you so ducking small for your age? And you're so, like, vibrantly orange.
What do you mean, bro? Are you saying I'm not the most prettiest, most handsomest little cygnet anymore?
He's right, bro. Ever since we turned 6 months old, the maturity period for dogs. You look mad weird. Even Jonathan Swanathan looks less weird than you. I hate you now.
Okay, Johnny Swanee has 3 wings and is slower than even me. You guys are loco in the cabeza right now. I can still pick up any pen, which is a word for a female swan on this side of the lake. Watch. Hey, Quacklet. Let's say you be my date from March to May, which is the mating period for swan. Just you, me, the open lake, some breadcrumbs, and a little river oil pollution. Quack! Ouch!
Did she really just say that?
Damn, Quacklet, do you mean that? Honk, 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 honk! Quack! Fine, you know what we'll do then. And then my feathers will be on your flippers, you fucker.
As it turns out, that cygnet was actually an inferior, disgusting little duckling. He was excommunicated from all of Swan society for being short, yellow, ugly, and slow. Nowadays he can be found under the bridge, by the river, eating moldy breadcrumbs every day from 5 to 5. And he did not save the world. Why the fuck did you think he would save the world? He's a duck! Come on. I'm David Cromwell.